Hi guys, welcome to How to Library, and today I'm going to show you how to watch people that are nearby, like close to your country or close to your city on Bigo Live. So right now I'm on my profile, and at the bottom you can see about 5 icons. The first one is home, and that will take you to Bigo Live's homepage. The second one is explore, and that you will use to explore new creators. The one in the middle is for you to go live yourself. The one next to it is for community, for the community on Bigo Live. And the one on the bottom right corner is me, and that means to take you to your profile. But right now we're going to click on the one that is on the bottom left corner, the home page on Bigo Live. And as you can see, this will take us here. And we have a couple of options here on top of the screen: virtual live, game, chat, popular, and nearby. So we're going to click on the nearby option. And this will take us, refresh, this will take us to the streamers or the posts or people that post something that are nearby from us. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.